Hey everybody, Bob Spyro here, millionairemakers.biz out of Whitensville, Mass. This is a training video. We're going to take you behind the scenes and show you the new traffic hurricane power lead system sales funnel and some of the landing pages. Also, into our autoresponder, show you the different campaigns that we've built over the years and some of the results that we've seen. And ask you then, regardless of what business you're in, you need these systems in place to have success on the internet. So with no further ado, I'm going to unveil the brand new system, if you will, for traffic hurricane. This is the unprecedented marvel landing page, the original rags to riches blueprint, sink your teeth into a proven turnkey method. This money-thirsty strategy reaps results so fast you'll drool with satisfaction. The reality is we're mirroring and modeling the success of a proven internet millionaire, and you're being invited to use this same system absolutely free, just the monthly expense of the Power Lead system, which pays for itself through its affiliate program. Take a peek at a couple more. Where knowledge is power. Here you go. We got the complete roadmap to online wealth. Carbon copy reprint allows average people to clone results. The online money-making mystery is forever solved. You don't have to write code or make the programs and create these landing pages. They're in place for you so you can use the same ones. These are hot off the press. Nobody's seen these, and I've got some results to share with you because they've just come out yesterday and we started using them verily as we speak today. Okay? This is the landing page that we're driving traffic to through a solo ad. We'll share with you the results and the location of where to do that, if you will. This is the 5 minute per day is all it takes to run a successful online business. You'll absolutely love the 100% free price tag too. People will enter their email address. We'll skip the survey. Let me share with you, you've got no anxiety in having to do a presentation. It's not about you. You're just the messenger. You send people to the landing page. That's your responsibility. And in the training that we provide, and that's in our systems, we'll teach you how to do that. Frankie does an excellent job discussing these commission points, if you will, and the presentation ensues. Instant online business, the easiest way ever to own and operate a cash-producing business. You've got roadmap to sunken treasure. You've got the no-sweat money formula, if you will. Not only that, these pages are converting, and we'll train you as well as the people that sign up on your team. That's totally awesome. Using these systems, this is just some quick stats from the past, if you will. I was going to share with you in the autoresponder here. This is an AWeber, if you will. And just today we've had 9 subscribers so far from a solo ad that's running verily as we speak. But if you'll see here, the way we've used this system is, we started out a couple of years ago with this company GBG. This is what we've done to generate leads and make money in any company, in addition to the profit centers of these income streams, the Power Lead System and Traffic Hurricane. We had 120 subscribers. In that company, we actually got up to about $1,500 a month, but the business collapsed because of lack of ethical ownership, if you will. That was a learning experience. Going on, you may have heard about Empower Network, okay, where we still have one of our blogs, but as affiliates, while we were promoting that, we had 495. Let's see, 660 plus 900, and this is Empower New List, 986. We had 1,644 leads that came into that business. it generated a little over $8,000 in commission. I'll share with you some of these proofs of income as we go on here. Next opportunity here was that nutrition company, XFuse, if you will. We generated 437 leads. The webinar, that was, let's see, 437 leads. We probably made about $2,000 in that opportunity before we decided it wasn't following along in the business plan. The company changed a few things, and it wasn't where we wanted to spend our time. The next list we promoted, this happens quite frequently when owners let you down or you make adverse selections. This is for Traffic Monsoon. I went into these free leads for life campaign. We put 1,349 leads into our system. We earned $24,675 with that opportunity. We were up to over $407 a day. Now, you all know what happened with that, and there's going to be a resolution and a disposition quite soon. As you know, the SEC stepped in, and it's in court now being resolved one way or the other. But this proven system for building leads and generating sales is a proven business model, time in and time out. Just prior to that, we were talking about My Advertising Pays, where we first learned about traffic exchanges, if you will. Actually, we learned about them before, but this was the first one we participated in. We generated 460 leads over time and generated just about $18,474 in commission before they closed operations here in the U.S. That's when we joined Traffic Hurricane and made those the $24,000 in pretty record time before the SEC stepped in. But that money will be distributed, or the company will resume business all over the world, if you will, very shortly, and that's what we fully expect. So where we get leads, you'll see we consistently build our list by using solo ads as well as free methods, posting into Facebook, if you will. But this is proof and validation that we're consistently buying solo ads, and UDMI is one of the sources that we use. Mark Jameson right now is delivering 100 clicks to us. He's delivered 22 clicks so far today. Now let's take a peek into the autoresponder, if you will. Weber, I believe I had it up before, but from the 17 clicks, if you will, so far today, we've got 9 subscribers, about 50% opt-in rate. Now that's really fantastic, since we didn't have to make the page. We just had to figure out how to get the traffic and send it there, which we teach you how to do. It's almost like it's a no-brainer, if you will. So today you'll see we actually had 17 notifications, but here's a notification, 4:43. It's 6:30, just a couple hours ago, and this is somebody I never met before. Subscriber came in, chedmatt@gmail at 4:19. He went to that landing page I shared with you, and guess what? He wound up as a brand new Traffic Hurricane member. Okay, that's how it works, guys, when you have a system that's in place that produces results. Now, we were getting back to a couple of these proofs of income back here. This is MAP, but it's from January. Now, that didn't fold until it was October. That was another 6 months. This was 14,292. It went up to 18,000, but they took the site down, if you will. You'll look here at Empower Network. Our best month was $1,322. Total commissions was $8,042 before we left our affiliateship. And we learned a lot from these companies, from the information in them and how we learned and marketed them. Here's proof of income from traffic monsoon, if you will. We had 31 sharing positions active, 340, a total of 370. That was producing over $407 a day, folks, for clicking a mouse, not to mention the incredible amount of traffic it was driving to our blogs. Earned there $24,675. But that's just what we've done. What we're about to do is even more incredible, which is why you need to position yourself on our team by clicking on the link below this video and taking your positions in Traffic Hurricane, in Power Lead System if you don't already have your position, and in Exodus Elite. And then we'll see you too out here on the beaches of the world, because we're looking for 10 leaders that want to make 6 figures marketing and learning and mastering what I've just taught you. And then the key is in duplication. You see, we've got a proven 7-figure mentor and leader that's created this abundance. And all we're doing here is passing it to you. So with that in mind, we'll see you on the team on the next video. Bye-bye for now.